So welcome back. This is Sil with another video. In this Python series, we will learn about the variable. What is variable? How to implement it? How to use variable in Python, and how to assign a value to it? How to assign single value to multiple variable and multiple value to multiple variable. All these things we'll cover in this video. So keep watching till. And so before starting, if you guys new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and press a bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming video. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, we'll have to know about the what is variable in Python. So variable something like you can say that is the name of a storage space where data is stored. So let me give you some example. Like if you have a box and there is a ball inside it, so box here is a variable and ball that is a value. So box is variable and ball is values. And one more thing is important here, that the variable value can be changed. There is no fixed value. Variable value can be changed, right? Because there is no necessary that you always put ball inside that wall, inside that box you can put another things, right? So there is no fixed value. And whenever you write variable in Python, so you do not need to declare it data types. It will automatically detect that which type of data you are passing. So let's see how we can do it in Python editor. So I'm taking here the string data type and assign a value to it. I'm taking some int and one more I'm taking here, that is a float value. Here you can see that I have taken a string, integer and float, right? So first name, second roll number, third marks. So name is a string here, roll number is integer, and marks is float. To print it, we use just print function and write the variable inside it. Roll, print the name and print the marks, right? You can check out the output here. 34 CL 34.5, right? So if you want to know that which type of value you have passed here, so to know it, just write the type function inside the print. Use the type function, type inside the bracket, just use the variable name like name, print, use the type function inside the bracket, use the variable which you want to know its type, right? Just use type and marks and run it. So here you can see that I have used the string int at float. Here you can see name is a string, roll number is integer, and marks is float. So in this way we can use the variable, and this is the way how we can check out that which type of variable you are passing. So we can also assign a single variable to multiple value, right? I mean to say multiple variable to single value. All these things we'll see here. So first of all, I'm using here the variable for single value. So I'm taking a multiple variable and use with only single value. So let's see how we can do it in. So I have taken A, B and C and only single value, that is 23. So I have assigned here multiple variable to single value, right? A is 23, B is 23, C also 23. Let's check it out. Print A, print B and print C. So let's see if the answer is correct or not. So here you can see the answer is correct. A is 23, B is 23, C also 23. So in this way we can assign a single value to multiple variable. We can also assign a multiple value to single multiple value to multiple variable. So let's see how we can do it. So let's query it, and so I'm taking A, B, C, and assign a value to it. So as you can say, I have assigned multiple variable to multiple value. Here A is 23, B is 34, and C is 45. So let's see. So I'm printing here A, print B, print C, and check out the output. So here you can see the output 23, 34, and 45. In this way we can assign multiple value to multiple variable. So there is some rule to write the variable. So let me give you some example, like let me explain you, like always start variable with the alphabet or underscore. So you cannot start with number, right? So if you start like that and assign a value to it, it will give you error. So you don't need to start like that, right? You can start like with some alphabet, then you can use the number and assign a value to it. This is the way it will accept, right? So, and with the underscore, then write in this way we can use the variable, right? So this is the some rule how we can write the variable in Python. So that's it for tomorrow. So let's see what we'll do in upcoming videos. So that's it for today, and thanks for watching.